So I just filmed this look here today. This is like a really good eye. It's just a Christmas winter inspired makeup look. So if you guys want to know how I did this look, then keep on watching. Oh my gosh. I keep forgetting to put this stupid tape on my eyeball. All I did was just pack on that red, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out with the fluffy side of this brush. Beep, beep, beep. So once it kind of looks like this side, we are just gonna go ahead and do our cut crease. I'm using my messy palette. Ow! Oh, 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 oh. Oh my god. So be careful and don't pinch your skin in the crack. Like, I always open it like this, so let's not do that. That hurt so bad. So I'm just using this flat concealer brush I always use, and I am going to just take this middle color. What's going on up here, fellas? Take my Moondust palette, and we are going to be taking Eylure, which is just a super sparkly, bright, alien looking green color. And I'm just going to take a flat eyeshadow brush like this one here, and you can spray it, get your brush a little wet if you want. I like to because I think it kind of helps pay the color off, color payoff. So just give it a couple squirts, and we're just gonna pack this awesome color on. I'm just gonna go ahead and take Galaxy, which is just like a greenish blue color. And I'm just going to take the other side of this brush, give it a couple squirts. It's going to be overlapping that green just a little bit. I really love creating these half cut crease looks because I just love doing like the color transition effect, I guess, ombre effect, whatever. I'm going to go into my Anastasia Prism palette, and I'm going to be taking the color Throne, which is just like a dark emerald greenish color, and I'm gonna go ahead, take the same brush. It doesn't really matter, honestly. Ooh, this is a little messy. Oh, that's just the tape. Okay, so this one we're just gonna put right in the end here. Then I'm taking the NYX, whoa, that's a little bright, NYX liner in white. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Can't really explain it. Oh my god. Ugh, why? Like, what is going on? It's so hard to like. I shouldn't have to use so much of my muscles to pull that out. So then you want to try to find your candy cane section. Oh my god, this is gonna be hard. This is so terrible. What the fuck is going on? Why did this one turn out so good and this one is like fucked up? Oh my goodness gracious. Why? I'm gonna have to redo that. Let's try this again. Alright, well, you should get a candy cane like this, somewhat like this. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm just gonna go over it again with the white. The only crappy thing about these eyeliners is, if you can tell, it just like flakes and just isn't as smooth. So now I'm just gonna take a red liquid eyeliner. This is also from NYX. It's part of their Vivid Brights line. This is in Vivid Fire. We're just gonna create little candy cane lines. I'm just gonna take this off. If you need makeup wipes, don't get these. It's a very cute packaging, but These are so strong. The fragrance, whatever, it's like pink grapefruit. But like, I think it's just way too strong. So if you have like sensitive skin, this makeup wipe is gonna burn like a mofo. And it's just like so painful. Okay, so now I'm just gonna create baby snowflakes. These are pretty simple. I can't do like the cool ones. I'm not that talented yet. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take NYX glitter. It's a glitter liner and this is in gunmetal. And we are just gonna put this right below the white liner, like this. For lashes, I'm gonna be using the Eylure Vegas Nay Looks. I think that's how you say it. This is in Platinum Princess. This is what it looks like. And I'm just using my all-time favorite Duo Lash Glue in black. Don't forget to apply mascara before you put these bad boys on. So I'm gonna let those dry. And I'm gonna do the rest of my face. I'm gonna go ahead and do a cream contour. We're gonna do a full glam look today. So I'm taking the color I showed you, and I'm just gonna take a little brush, wherever it may be. Okay, I can't find it, so we're just gonna use a stipple brush. This is the e.l.f. It's a small stipple brush, and we're just gonna go ahead and sculpt out our face. Go ahead and sculpt out my nose. Excuse me. I just picked the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation in 360. I don't know if it's my color, so I swatched it on my hand, but I don't know. I was like sweating it in a rush. Oh, wow, okay. I'm just gonna pump it just a little bit on my, like that much, I guess. Please be my color, please be my color, oh my gosh. I don't know. I think it's my color. This smells so good. Ooh, it's kind of turning a little orangey. So I don't know about that. I don't know. I really don't know. I like makeup and I like to do makeup, but I'm so bad at like reviewing. What's going on here? Do you guys see that, or am I just tripping? I must be tripping. So as you can see, my forehead is like, I have a very oily T-zone. So I'm hoping this is gonna help mattify it. I don't have a primer. I should try out a primer. But I don't know what primer is a good primer. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my areas. I'm almost out of this. I need a new concealer. Boop. Doop, 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 doop. Maybe this will kind of neutralize my face. I don't know. I don't think it looks bad. Okay, let's just do this. Let's just do this. So I'm looking like over there. I have a big old mirror over there. So then I'm going in with my Wet n Wild's contour. I hit pan already. I would really like to use this as my powder contour, but I also like to use this to bake my face. So we're just gonna go ahead and bake the face. I only like to use this because it's like a yellow undertone and it doesn't make me look ghostly. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take a fluffy brush. This one we used earlier, I'm just gonna like clean off that red real quick. I have like makeup all over. Oops. Whatever. I like to clean my brushes off real quick on my skin. I think that's okay. Oh well. Your knuckles are really good just to like dust it off. Okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly blend out my eyeshadow real quick. I think I'll leave those sharp. Or does that look weird? I don't know. Some mascara to blend the lashes together. These are some really dramatic lashes, if I'm being honest. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. I'm just using Too Faced Sun Bunny Natural Bronzer, and I'm using a little angle brush. I'm debating what I want to do with my lips. I don't know if I want to do a red lipstick or keep it neutral because the eyes are really something something. Oh, I will probably do a neutral lip if I have anything. So I'm just gonna take a big fluffy brush and dust this off. Actually, I'm rubbing it in because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just dusting this off. Wiping, I should say. And I don't really like this sharp line here. So we're just gonna blend that out. Blush, I'm using Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow Illuminating Blushing and Bronzing Palette. And I'm taking a big old stiffle brush. Oh, highlight. Ooh. You guys, so where did it go? Oh my gosh. Y'all know I just got this and we're gonna try it out because it's so sparkly. I don't know if I'm gonna use my fingers or how am I supposed to use this? Because it's very smooth. I'm gonna try using this brush. I always use this brush for my highlight. So I'm just gonna I'm in love. Oh my god. This is what I've been looking for. Oh my gosh. I love like little glitter specks. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's like a fairy just pooped on my face. I love it. I love it. I'm just gonna go ham right now. Because why not? So I'm just gonna finish up the eyes here. A little brush like this, going back in with the red. So once you have that, I really like to add the NYX Gun Metal Glitter Liner on my lash line. It's so pretty when you're in like certain lighting. It'll like, your eyes will sparkle. Just gonna go ahead and apply bottom mascara. This is just Essence. I don't really like this one, if I'm being honest. I'm gonna go in with Diamond Bomb again, and I'm just gonna take a brush like this, and I'm just gonna put this in the corner of my eyeballs. So I decided to just go for a nude lip since the eyes are just so crazy. I just went ahead and chapped my lips with some Carats, and then I used Buxton, I think that's how you say it, lip pencil liner thing. This is in the color Stealth. I got a little cold, so I put a sweater on, but that's not the point. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, thanks for watching guys, bye!